These hiccups, man. These hiccups. Hey loves! Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, it is great to see you again. And if you're new, hey, my name is Adysse. So today I'm going to be showing you a trick I learned because I have very oily, sensitive skin. And I've been doing this trick for a while and it works wonders. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Alright, so after washing your face and making sure your hands are clean because you will be touching your face, the first step is applying toner. See, not everybody does toner. I would recommend it. Ever since I've started doing it, it feels great. It really does. So the one I use is Aveeno Positively Radiant, but any toner works. And what I use to apply it are these little pads. So all you do is you put just a little bit. And this is where it gets a little messy because I'm messy. But you're supposed to do, I think, circular motions. And I highly recommend not to forget the neck. And I'm telling you, toner feels so good. It feels so good. So your second step is to apply moisturizer. I usually pair it with the serum. So right now I'm using Simpleza Vitamin C, 20%. And I usually apply my serum before I apply my moisturizer. And you want to put just a little bit. And again, don't forget your neck. And for this, I use my hands. So after that, you use your moisturizer, and the one I use is Aveeno Sensitive Skin. Another trick I would really recommend is always using a moisturizer that has some kind of sunscreen in it. So this one has 15 SPF. Not sure what that means, but there's sunscreen in here. So I would say this is the way to go. And again, you put just a little bit. Honestly, at this point, Aveeno, just saying, you should sponsor me because I use so many of your products. Just saying. And I gotta say, this feels heavenly. So the third step is to apply some kind of translucent or loose powder. So the one I use is the e.l.f. one. I'm all about being on budget, guys. And I have to say it is pretty good. So you want to take just a little bit, not too much. And don't blow on your brush. I learned not so long ago that it's actually not good for you because you're putting some bacterias. Just saying. So you want to just tap it slightly on your hand like so. And like I said, just a little bit. So you want to put a thin coat. So your fourth step will be to put on some setting spray. So I use the NYX Matte Finish, and you do it however you do it. See, I have fun with it, just saying. This feels so good. I cannot, ooh. Alright, so your final step before applying your foundation is using a primer. So the one I use is NYX Shine Killer. Like I said, my skin is very oily. So you want to apply just a little bit. That's one of the things I really like about this product. You don't need that much, and it is so light. Like, I don't even feel like I put anything on, to be honest. Alright, so now you're finally ready to put on your foundation. So I usually do my eyebrows, sometimes my eyes before, but for the sake of this video, I'll do my foundation first. Alright, so I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I will have my makeup on for a few hours, and I'll show you the results.
A few moments later.
These hiccups, man. These hiccups. Ooh, skin. Ooh. So I hope you liked my hack, and if you tried it, please let me know how it went for you in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Ooh, this natural light. Ooh.